Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great weekend. I've had a ton of questions about the yoga exercises to help lift and tighten the face, the neck, the chin, the upper chest, and I've also had some questions about facial massage. The great thing about these techniques is they work and they don't cost you anything but a little bit of time. And of course, I've recorded follow along type videos for these exercises. So what I've done today is take them, put them together, both the facial yoga exercises and also the facial massage exercises, so that you have them in one place where you can watch the whole thing. I'll put chapters in there. You really don't need them, but I will put chapters in there to help you stop and skip and come back around to the particular exercises or massage techniques that you want to try. And I promise you, some of the videos that I've done on this topic or these topics are the most popular videos on my channel. So this is going to make things really easy and compact, one place for you guys. That said, we're going to jump into these videos and I will see you at the end. All right, so forehead lines. This exercise addresses the lines that we get on our forehead. Now, I don't have a lot of lines on my face. Good skincare practice for many, many years since I was 23. And I'm sure that some of this also comes from the fact that I take very good care of myself physically, try to work out and eat right. So all of it does come together, but these exercises are designed to help reduce the static wrinkles that happen on the forehead above the eyebrows. Very easy exercise to perform, targeting the muscles that create the dynamic wrinkles when we raise our eyebrows on our forehead. We want to place our fingertips right on the brow, right above the eyebrows, and try to lift them. You will feel all those muscles contract. We want to do this for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax and let go. Take a couple of breaths and do this exercise 5 to 10 times. All right, you guys are going to love this next one because it does target the lips, the whole of the lip area, providing more volume, strength around the lip area. It also helps kind of smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles that we tend to get right here. Very, very simple to do. All right, so the way you do this particular exercise, and you probably want to do it where no one's looking because it really does make you look funny, is you're going to make duck lips. You know that duck lip thing that went on the internet forever on Instagram? That's what you're going to be doing, but you're also going to be placing your thumbs under your lower lip and your index fingers above your top lip, and you're going to be pressing down, not squeezing, not stretching the skin, but pressing down as you push your lips away and out from your face. So this is how we do this. It's going to be for a count of 6. This one is also 5 to 10 times, but let's demonstrate it. And then you relax. And again, 5 to 10 times when you do this exercise as well. Okay. This next yoga exercise is going to target the jawline, and it's very, very effective. You will feel this one in the muscles of your jaw. All right. The way we perform the technique for the jawline is to look at the ceiling and point our chin to it. You're going to feel a little tightening right there when you do this. Now, you don't want to go too far back. We don't want to stretch. You shouldn't feel this in your neck or your lower neck. Just right here. Just as soon as you hit it right, you will feel it, and then you're going to purse your lips for a count of 6. And then you're going to relax. And you're going to do that 5 to 10 times as well. You will really feel, that's when I always feel a whole lot. You will really feel this pose working those muscles. It works very well. Just make sure that you're not using the neck muscles. You want to be sure you're using these jawline muscles so that you get the maximum benefit out of this technique. All right, so what about cheeks, nasolabial lines, and mid-face? This exercise, again, is very simple. We're going to do it for a count of 6, 5 to 10 times. What you're going to do is relax your face. You're going to purse your lips and place your index fingers on the corners of your mouth. And as you push your lips out, you're going to pull. So you're going to create a tension from the cheek area down to the upper lip area. You will feel this again when you do the exercise correctly. And this is what we do. We do this right here, right? Notice where my fingers are, right on the inside of my cheekbones. And relax. Very simple, and you will feel this whole entire area, the muscles in the cheekbones and to upper jaw, get a full workout. This will help lift and plump out the cheeks, and it will help tighten the skin between your ear and your outer cheekbone. Is a really great technique for lifting the entire mid face. And now for the yoga technique that I've been using, seems like my whole life long, to help keep neck skin tight. It helps deal with the double chin area. It helps pull back and even out the skin around the platysmal lines and get rid of those vertical lines that tend to show up as we get older. It's a very, very simple exercise. You're going to relax and look forward. So again, for a count of 10. And then you're going to relax. Then you're going to do each side the same way. And you can see how it tightens all of the muscles in my neck. And then relax. And then we're going to do it this way. And then relax. Now, even though we are holding the count for this particular exercise longer than the others, you still want to do it about 5 to 10 times. I would recommend on all of these that you guys start off light if you've not been doing them. Like any muscle, when you work it that you haven't been working before, it can get very sore. So this is the same for the face and the neck. You want to go slow, perhaps every other day, the first couple of weeks. Just do it 5 times and then work your way up to the 10. What you will notice after about a month of doing these exercises consistently is a tightening and lifting of the entire face, less static wrinkles left behind after dynamic movements like crow's feet and forehead wrinkles. Definitely going to see improvement for any sort of double chin or saggy jowl skin that you have going on. And you're going to help that lymphatic system drain out that excess fluid, removing puffiness. You're just going to look younger and healthier. This is really a great non-invasive way to augment all the other things that you're doing, like your skincare routine, wearing sunscreen. You're going to be giving your face and your skin a great workout. Now, I hope today's video was helpful in explaining how these exercises work, what the science behind them is, and why you should give them a try. I mean, after all, what do you have to lose? They cost you absolutely nothing but a little bit of time. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a massage to help lift, tone the face. It's a simple massage that I put together that is easy to use for anyone that's over 40, 50, 60 and beyond. So it's not going to be rough on the skin. It's not a super deep tissue massage. We don't want to bruise, stretch, or tear skin. This is very gentle. However, it will help remove lymph fluid buildup under and around the eyes. It will help lift the face by toning and activating those muscles just underneath and help to temporarily improve sagginess along the jawline and neck. Now, I know some of you that have been following me for a while on the channel know I have several very popular facial yoga videos. Facial yoga is a wonderful practice that can actually help restructure your face, making it look much younger and keeping it in a healthy condition. Those facial yoga videos are some of the most popular videos on my channel. So if you want to check those out, I will link down to them below in the video description box. Now, if you happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare for 36 years. Yes, that makes me a little bit older, 59. So now you don't have to do any math, but my job is to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet and not do you more harm than good. So if that's the kind of videos you've been looking for here on YouTube from someone who walks the talk, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. So let's get started. First, you always want to start with clean skin and clean hands, and you want to use something that keeps the skin from being stretched while you do the massage. So a good facial oil always comes in handy. If you don't have any facial oils, you can use almond oil, even olive oil will work for this type of massage. Now, as a personal preference and professionally, I feel it's good to do these massages at night before you finish your skincare routine and go to bed, but they can be done in the morning as well. And if you don't have expensive massaging devices, you're going to love this because once you get this massage down, it's always going to be free. But free does not mean not effective. So let's apply some facial oil. I'm going to be using a facial oil called Love 31 by Maylove. Their skincare line is one of my favorites. It's a great line, and I've reviewed them here on the channel. But again, you can use something like an almond oil or olive oil. We're just going to pat the oil into and around the areas we're going to be massaging, so that we give it some hydration and we give ourselves a frictionless skin surface. So the area we're going to massage first is the forehead. We're going to take our fingers and start in the middle and swipe outward towards the temples. We're going to do this light sweeping massage for 6 times. This is 4, 5, and 6. Next, we want to move on to under the eyes using 2 fingers right under the lower eyelid, and we're going to move out and upward again to the temple area, out and upward, and we're going to do this for 6 times. That's 4, 5, and 6. Staying in the same area of the face, we are next going to move on to the upper eye and the brow bone area, and we're going to do the same type of sweeping massage, slightly upward and outward towards the temple for 6 times. What this does around the eye area is help to release some of that lymph fluid that builds up, causing bagginess. It even adds to the look of a hooded eyelid. So this can be very, very helpful in doing that. Next, we're gonna move on to the cheek area, and we're gonna use our knuckles, and we're gonna gently massage the cheek area, again, from the middle of the face outward. We're gonna do this for 6 times as well. Very gently. It really does feel amazing. It's so relaxing. You can feel the tension just leave your jaw area when you start doing these. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the area just around the mouth where we have laugh lines, those marionette lines that nobody likes. We're going to soften the look of those by activating the muscles that are just around the mouth. Very simple exercise, but very effective. We're going to take 4 fingertips on each side, and we're going to just wiggle outward toward the jaw 6 times. And done. It really is amazing how much tension that we hold in our jaw and cheeks throughout the day, especially if we're in stressful situations or environments. And massaging this area not only tones those muscles just underneath the cheekbone and around the mouth, but it releases all of that tension that builds up. Now we want to move on to the jaw area. Again, a very simple exercise where we want to squeeze and move up, massaging the jawbone all the way up to the earlobe. We want to do that 6 times. And done. And then in this simple exercise routine, not to be left out, of course, is going to be the neck. So we're going to do 6 sweeps for each side of the neck using 4 fingers on the collarbone and 4 fingers just on the back curvature of the neck. And we're going to lift upward and outward 6 times, massaging this area upward. And then we do the same thing for the other side. A simple but effective toning and lifting massage for the face and neck that you can do either in the morning or in the evening to give yourself the best looking skin ever. Now, I hope you guys found this compilation video on facial yoga exercise and facial massage helpful. If you did, please like it, share it out, let me know down in the comments below. And please come back if you try these and see the results that I know you're going to see. We want to hear about those too. And as always, there are more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, so be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you guys for joining me today. I appreciate your support so very much. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.